Okay, so it's been about 16, 17 hours since we put the size on. You can see a slight shine in this tummy area. Basically, if you touch it with your hands, you can feel it sticks a little bit, but there's no residue sitting on your finger. So it's just about ready to do. So we'll start applying some gold leaf and see how it goes. So we're going to need some larger pieces. I've got a gold leaf here that's ready to be cut up. So you work out a size that will cover, that you'll be able to handle easily with your brush. Obviously the less number of pieces the better. So we'll probably do a long piece along here. So you come out with your special gold leaf cutter. Never ever touch the blade on these. Can't afford to have any sort of grease, even natural oils from your skin. So I always keep it inside a piece of baking paper. Actually, I need to cut a bit more. Oh, this is a lesson. Don't breathe too heavily when you've got this out. Just goes everywhere. Okay, just leave that for now. Okay. Nope, that's not going to happen, so I'll just put that on a little patch somewhere. So we'll try and pick up the leaf without just lightly touch it. There's no need to apply too much pressure at this stage. Try to avoid touching any of the varnish with your brush. Yep, it's got stuck. Just cut a smaller piece for this section. And lift it up and put it on just over here. So obviously some parts of it won't stick. Little pieces like this I will try and keep without losing it. I've got a little container here that I use to put my small pieces in. And get the lid open, there we go. Then you can see there's lots of small pieces that I've collected. These can always be used later to go into the very deep corners. So just keep that handy. Alright, so we'll keep going with putting some more gold pieces on. Cut another piece, a longer piece I think. Try not to touch the varnish with your brush. It doesn't matter if there's anything loose sitting there, just that can come off later. And I'll do another long piece, which I'll Okay, so once you've covered the area with gold leaf, no exposed areas showing, use the same brush, make sure it's a bit clean, and just brush it lightly like this. Now, here is a good example where an area has been missed. It will look a little bit duller in one spot, and that means that the varnish has spread onto the gold leaf. So the best way to fix that is just quickly pick up another piece of gold leaf, stick it over the top, and then tap it down. So we'll keep working through here, brushing away all the loose pieces. So normally this would be done with an agate, but that doesn't apply with clocks. When you're gilding clocks, it's more to do with flat surfaces for paintings or icons or large pieces of plaster work. Then you would use an agate, but here just really a light brush is all it needs. You can see it's cleaning up quite nicely. And there you go, and we'll work on these sections here. Quick light brush. A few more bits there I'll still need to fill before I brush that, so there you go.